What's up my beautiful friends? In this video, welcome back to another video. This video is very special for all cryptocurrencies holders. If you are a holder of Harmony coins, so this video is very special for you. Please keep watch this video with the end. In this video I will show you the live price predictions of the Harmony coin. What's the price change goes, what's the current price, what is the high price, and what is the low price of Harmony coin. In this video I will show you. So before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so please subscribe my channel and stay connected with the ABS Tech channel. As you can see here, the last one day price predictions on the screen. The change occurred in the Harmony coin in the last one day is absolutely good level. Happy my heart at this time. 7.64% change occur in the Harmony coin, as you can see, and the high price of Harmony coin is $0.162907 is the high price of Harmony coin in the last one day. Absolutely that will happy my heart at this time. What is your impression? Please share in the comment box. As you can see here, but now currently at this time they falls down, and now at this time live they are goes up. So for more details, let's check it out. Let's look the last 1 hour price predictions. What's the change goes in a Harmony coin at this time live? The live change is positive 0.72%, you can see here, and the high price of Harmony coin is $0.152222 is the high price of Harmony coin in the last 1 hour phase. If we look the chart analysis of the Harmony coin, so the chart analysis tells us that now currently at this time they are falls down for a later time, and don't worry about this fall. Soon after a 1 minute they again start jumping up. That is the temporary falls of the Harmony coin. So friends, according to the price prediction, I'm very happy because I'm also a holder of Harmony coin and the changes are in positive, so I'm happy. My suggestion for all Harmony holders, if you are a holder, so please hold your Harmony coin with the last half this month, because the big explosion are coming soon. So wait for the big explosion, wait for the big pump of the Harmony coin and hold it. And if you want to buy Harmony coin, so absolutely it's the best decision, it's the best time to buy Harmony coin. Please make sure subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates about cryptocurrency market.